Hi guys, I'm Hadley with Tea for the Soul YouTube, and today we're going to talk about how to wear fall florals. I love this look, guys. It's so easy. I have my fall floral and I wanted to break up the pattern a little bit, so I paired it with this gray cardigan. It's so comfy and I love it. If you get hot, you can take it off or you can put it on when it's a little chilly like today. And it's just so nice. I paired it with jeans and booties, and you can do the same.
So I pulled some simple pieces together and I added a pop of color, also with the floral in the back. Super cute, elegant, flowy, love the material, love this cardigan. My favorite.
For our last fall floral look, I have paired a plain navy shirt with this awesome mustard floral kimono. I love that it has the basic with my pop of floral, because my floral is definitely the focus for this outfit. I've again paired it with some rust colored shoes that tie in my colors for my kimono, and I just love it. I think it's so fun. There you have it, guys. We've showed you 3 ways to wear your fall florals. I wore mine first with a floral and a basic over the top. Alexis showed you her pop of floral in the back. And finally, I showed you my floral kimono with my basic tee. Tell us how you're going to wear yours. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week.